$0, that's where I started, not started my investing journey. Zero, nothing in savings, nothing invested. And if that's you right now, I need you to actually listen to this one. Because every finance video on this platform is talking to people who already have money. This one isn't. I'm going to give you the exact order, not tips, not a list of ideas, the order that I would follow if I had to start completely over today. 5 steps in sequence. Skip 1 and the rest doesn't work as well. Stay to the end, because step 4 is the one almost nobody talks about, and it's the one that actually changes whether this sticks. Quick reality check before we start. Almost every finance creator you watch is already financially comfortable, which means their advice, even when it's good, was built by someone who forgot what zero actually feels like. The anxiety of checking your balance before you buy coffee, the feeling that saving $20 doesn't even matter. Here's the thing. Nobody says out loud, the order you do things in matters more than how much money you start with. 2 people can have the exact same paycheck, and one builds real security in a year, while the other stays stuck for 5, purely because of sequence. Do the steps out of order, and you're working against yourself without realizing it. So, here's what we're covering. The 5-step order, why each one has to come before the next, and the 1 step in the middle that determines if any of this actually sticks long term. Not $1,000, not an emergency fund, $100 sitting completely untouched in a separate account. This isn't about the money, it's about breaking the panic response. Once you have $100 you never touch, your brain stops treating every unexpected $40 expense like a crisis. That changes how you make every decision after this. Takes 10 minutes. Do it before you finish this video if you can. Not a full budget. That comes later, and it's overwhelming this early. Just open your last 30 days of transactions and find the single subscription or habit you forgot you were paying for. Almost everyone has one. That money moves straight into the buffer from step 1. This isn't about cutting your coffee. It's about finding the one thing that's already invisible to you. Get any employer match, even a tiny one. If your job offers any retirement match at all, even 1%, that's an instant guaranteed doubling of that portion of your money. Nothing else on this list gives you that. If there's no job or no match yet, skip this step for now and move to 4. You're not behind. You're just not there yet. This is the only step on this list that's optional depending on your situation. Everything else applies to everyone. This is the one nobody puts on these lists. Automate it before you trust yourself, not after you build discipline. Before, set up an automatic transfer of whatever tiny amount feels almost annoyingly small. $5, $10. The day after payday, every single time, no decision involved. Here's why this step matters more than the amount. Willpower runs out. Automation doesn't. The entire reason most people's get better with money plans fail by March isn't the plan. It's that it depended on remembering and deciding every single week. Remove the decision, and the habit survives, even your worst months. Once the buffer's built and the transfer is automatic, that's when you open an investing account and start putting that same automated amount to work instead of just sitting in savings. Not before, after. Investing $10 a month means nothing if one surprise bill wipes out your buffer and forces you to sell at the worst time. The order protects you. That's the full sequence. Buffer, find the leak, take free money if it exists, automate before discipline, then invest. If you take one thing from this video, don't try to do all 5 steps today. Do step 1. Open that account. Move $10 into it right now if that's what you have. That's it. That's the whole assignment. I'm building this channel from 0 to out loud. No pretending otherwise. Next video, I'm actually showing you my personal savings, spending after 1 month of building this channel. The number, not a vague description. And if this order made more sense than what you'd heard before, that's genuinely the only reason to subscribe. Not because I asked, but because there's 15 more of these coming. Same format, same honesty. See you in the next one.